Embark on an unforgettable culinary journey through the bustling streets of Taiwan, where the vibrant tapestry of street food awaits your adventurous palate. Our menu showcases the very essence of Taiwanese culture and tradition, encapsulated in the delectable offerings that have graced the night markets and street corners for generations. Step into the vibrant world of Taipei's bustling night markets, where the air is alive with the tantalizing aromas of sizzling grills and steaming pots. Our Taiwanese street eats are a celebration of the country's rich culinary heritage, a journey that takes you from savory to sweet, from traditional to innovative, and from the familiar to the delightfully unexpected. Indulge in the iconic flavors of Taiwanese cuisine, from the comforting embrace of a piping hot bowl of beef noodle soup to the playful crunch of oyster omelet. Each dish is a masterpiece of textures and tastes, a testament to the artistry of street food vendors who have perfected their craft over years of dedication. Taiwanese street food is a treasure trove of textures and flavors, and our menu pays homage to the classics while offering innovative twists that reflect the dynamism of the nation's food scene. From the savory delight of guabao, a tender braised pork belly bun, to the crispy goodness of fried chicken cutlets, every bite tells a story of culinary innovation grounded in tradition. But the allure of Taiwanese street eats extends beyond the dishes themselves. It's about the communal experience of wandering through bustling night markets, sharing laughter and stories with locals and fellow travelers alike. It's about the sights and sounds that envelop you as you navigate the labyrinthine alleys, each corner offering a new sensory delight. Our commitment to authenticity ensures that you're not just experiencing the flavors of Taiwan, but the very heart of the culture. From the bubbling pots of stinky tofu to the tantalizing aroma of scallion pancakes, every bite is a connection to the soul of the country, a reflection of the diversity and vibrancy that define Taiwanese street cuisine. So, join us on this culinary adventure as we traverse the streets of Taiwan through flavor and tradition. Allow the vibrant aromas to guide you. Let the textures dance on your palate, and let the stories of the night markets become a part of your own narrative. Experience the authentic spirit of Taiwan through its street eats, and let your taste buds be your passport to a world of savory wonders. Step into the captivating world of Taiwanese street eats, where the vibrant streets of Taipei and beyond come alive with an enticing array of flavors, aromas, and textures. Our menu invites you to embark on a sensory journey that reflects the heart and soul of Taiwanese culture, a culinary adventure that transcends taste and transports you to the very essence of the bustling night markets and street corners that define Taiwan's gastronomic landscape. Imagine wandering through the labyrinthine alleys of Taipei's famous night markets, where a symphony of sizzling woks, chopping knives, and bubbling pots creates an ambiance that is as invigorating as it is appetizing. The aromas of grilling meats, fragrant spices, and frying delicacies intermingle, drawing you into a world where street food isn't just sustenance, it's an exploration of tradition, innovation, and community. Our Taiwanese street eats menu is a tapestry woven from the threads of time-honored recipes and contemporary culinary creativity. Each dish is a narrative reflecting the convergence of ancient cooking techniques, local ingredients, and the vivacious spirit of modern Taiwan. Whether you're indulging in the savory embrace of oyster omelet or savoring the complex flavors of beef noodle soup, you're embarking on a gastronomic expedition through the country's heritage. Taiwanese street food embodies an intricate dance of textures and flavors. Sink your teeth into the crispy exterior of fried chicken cutlets, followed by the tender burst of juicy meat within. Experience the delicate crunch of scallion pancakes and the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of pork dumplings. Every dish is a multi-sensory delight, a celebration of contrasts that leaves an indelible mark on your palate. But beyond the culinary delight, Taiwanese street eats offer a glimpse into the heart of Taiwan's social fabric. Picture yourself huddled around a food stall with locals and fellow travelers, engaged in animated conversations as you share your love for these culinary treasures. It's a testament to the power of food to bridge cultural gaps, foster connections, and create cherished memories. Our commitment to authenticity ensures that each bite is a step closer to understanding Taiwan's rich culture. From stinky tofu to bao buns filled with succulent pork belly, Every dish carries with it the legacy of generations. It's an invitation to partake in a tradition that celebrates diversity, innovation, and the joy of good food. So join us as we traverse the lively streets of Taiwan, guided by the scents and sights of its vibrant street eats. Allow yourself to be swept away by the stories encapsulated in each dish, and let your taste buds become the vessel through which you experience the heart and soul of this captivating country.